Hi there, it's Olga. Today I'd like to suggest to you one more way to repurpose your small dies, and that is to make some simple jewelry. I'll be using some Whittle style dies from the latest holiday release by Poppy Stamps to make some pins or badges. So here are the dies. There are some animals like deer, moose, a fox, and also some trees and a snowman. But as I have already mentioned, you can do this technique with any small dies that you already have. I've die cut each image 4 times to be able to layer them later on. Then I will also need the actual pins, and they are the metal clothes pins with the butterfly clutch backs. You can get them on Amazon, I'll put a link down below, or at any craft store that sells jewelry making supplies. Let's start with the fox. I'm going to use a piece of washi tape to secure that negative piece on his tail and keep it from falling out. I'll do that to the 3 images, but for the last 4th image I'm going to change that brown piece on his tail to the white one. And I'm going to secure it at the wrong side. And of course you can find the list of tools and supplies that I'm using in the description and on my blog. Now I'm going to remove the back from one of the pins and I'm going to pierce through one of the die cuts. I'm making sure I have inserted the pin right till the end to its head, and then I'm going to layer the rest of the images on top of this one with a pin. I'm applying liquid glue between the layers, and then I'm going to place the image with the white detail on top of them all. Believe it or not, it's all it takes to make this cute little pin, but I will show you how I made the rest of them as well, really briefly. I have assembled all remaining images exactly the same way. That is, first I'm inserting the pin and then I'm layering the rest of the die cuts on top of it. With the moose and with the deer, I have decided to use a brown marker to color their antlers. As for the snowman, I've decided to add the little hat that is also the part of the set. You can also add the face and the buttons, but I've decided to leave him as he is. You can also take your pins one step further if you want to and add some glaze. You can use glossy accents or clear embossing powder. I've decided to go with embossing. I have applied some sticky ink on top of the image, then I'm dipping it into the powder and heat setting it. And I'm going to do 2 or 3 layers like this one. This will also make the pin water resistant and more durable. I've decided to do the glazing to just 1 pin and leave the rest of them as they are because I really like those little cut details on them. So here are my pins finished. I think they will look great on a variety of fabrics, especially denim and knitwear. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again really soon.